Welcome to our channel. Today we how to screen mirror Mac to Samsung TV step by step clearly. To start screen mirroring your Mac to a Samsung TV, ensure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your Samsung TV, navigate to the Settings menu. Select the option for Screen Mirroring or Smart View, depending on your TV model. On your Mac, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen. Open the System Preferences menu. Select Displays from the options. In the Displays menu, look for the option that says Show Mirroring Options in the menu bar when available. Make sure this option is checked. Now, look for a small icon resembling a rectangle with an arrow at the bottom and the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on this icon to reveal available devices. You should see your Samsung TV listed among the available devices. Select your Samsung TV from the list. Your Mac will now attempt to connect to the TV. If prompted, enter the PIN displayed on your TV screen into your Mac. Once connected, your Mac's screen will appear on your Samsung TV. You can adjust the display settings, such as resolution, in the Displays menu if needed. To stop mirroring, click the AirPlay icon again in the menu bar. Select Turn AirPlay off or disconnect. Your Mac will return to normal display on its own screen. Enjoy your content on the big screen. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.